In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira API in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an experienced developer or just diving into the world of APIs for the first time, this guide will help you set up and manage your API tokens efficiently. Let's get started. First, you want to head over to the Jira website. Just open your preferred browser and enter the Jira URL to get to their homepage. Once there, you'll notice a button that allows you to log in using your Google account. Click on that Google option and sign in with your credentials. Logging in through Google provides an easy and convenient way of accessing your Jira account without having to remember yet another password. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on it to display a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and preferences that you can customize according to your needs. Next, from the drop-down options, locate and click on Account Settings. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage your personal and security settings, which are beneficial for generating API tokens later on. In the Account Settings section, you should see various tabs at the top of the page. One of these tabs is labeled Security. Click on the Security tab. This section will give you an overview of security measures and options available to you within Jira. It's important to familiarize yourself with these settings to ensure your account and data remain secure. Scroll down the list of security options until you find the link that reads Create and Manage API Tokens. Clicking this link will take you to the dedicated page where you can manage your API tokens. You're now just a step away from generating your API token, which will allow you to interact programmatically with Jira services. However, before you can generate a new API token, Jira will send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. Keep your email account open as you'll need to retrieve this code. Once the code arrives, simply input it back into the designated field within Jira. This step ensures that you are indeed the person making the request and adds an extra layer of security to the process. With the verification code confirmed, you can now generate your API token. This token serves as a unique key that allows your applications to access Jira's services. Keep this token safe and secure, as it can be used to perform a variety of actions within your Jira account. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Jira website and created an API token, equipping you with the tools you need to tap into Jira's numerous capabilities programmatically. Thanks for watching and happy developing.